Jibril salam.
Okay, Hazrat
Assalamualaikum
Jibril
warahmatullahi
alayhi
wabarakatuh, sir.
is the Wahi bearer. Fine. Okay, how many big Asmani kitab are there?
Four.
So how many total Asmani kitab?
Sir, 104. 104. And 100 small
Okay.
kitabs.
How many?
Small kitabs are called Stohifa.
Okay, how many chief angels are there?
Yes, sir.
Main angels. How many?
Four.
Okay. What are the other groups of angels?
Yes, sir.
What are the other groups of angels? Special group.
Kirman Katibin, Munkar Nakir.
What is the activity of Kiraman Katibin?
They record the good and bad deeds of human beings.
Okay.
Good actions and bad actions of human beings.
What is the activity of
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam? What is the activity of Munkar Nakir?
To ask
They will ask questions about Allah, Rasul, and angel in the graveyard.
Rasul and the graveyard.
Okay. Good. So your preparation is good, I see. Okay. Okay. Inshallah, you study regularly.
Okay,
So I
sir.
see you are 36 present in the class.
So many of are not
36.
class. 37.
37 now.
So many of them bunked the class.
Okay. 11140. Abdullah. You have to change your profile pic. Okay.
Sir, I have to leave the meeting.
You should change. Okay. You set your own pic as your profile pic. Okay. Okay, boys. Now we are starting our today's lesson. Everyone, mute yourself. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. If you need to talk to me, you will unmute, then we'll talk. Otherwise, you will mute. Okay. Okay, it will be good for you if you mute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Okay. When necessary, you can ask. But if I mute, you cannot ask me. So it will be good if you mute yourself. Okay, boys. Now we are starting our class. Okay.
Sir,
In the name of
what
Allah.
is the class?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim.
Yeah. Bismillah. So today we will study chapter 2. Last class we finished first chapter. Okay. Is there any question regarding the last lesson?
No, sir.
Okay, everything is clear, I think, to you.
Yes, sir.
So now we are starting today's class. So now today we will study. We will starting giving salam upon you. Assalamu
Sir, the syllabus of chapter 2 is sir, Salat of Jummah and
Yeah,
Salat
yeah.
of Eid.
Okay, stop talking now. Mute yourself, okay?
Yes, sir.
Boys, today we will discuss, we will learn
Yes, sir.
Salat. Salat. Before, in the first term syllabus, half-yearly syllabus, we learn many things regarding Salat. That means Tashahud, Sana, Munajat, Durud, Dua Masura. Everything we learned. But in annual syllabus, you will learn the first activities of Salat and the rules of performing Salat, and also the times of Salat. So now see what we learn today's lesson. We will learn the first activities of Salat. First, obligatory activities. First activities. We will know the ahkams of Salat, arkans of Salat, times of Salat, and also rules of performing Salat. Okay. Now we are starting first activities of Salat.
Sir,
Sir, there are seven first things in Salat.
No. There are in total 14 first activities. Inside and
Sir.
outside. Inside and outside. Okay.
There are 4 arkans in Salat and 4. No, sir. There are 7 ahkam in
Okay, we will. Yes.
7 arkans.
रिहान सर के बोलते दाओ
We will discuss.
Sir, आपने हमार
Yes.
हमार
This is the topic of our today's lesson. So don't advance. Okay. Now we are discussing gradually. Okay. Right. So Salat, we know that it is the best ibadah. So to perform Salat, we have to do 14 first activities. Okay, these activities are divided into 2 groups or 2 kinds. The first 7 are called ahkams of Salat. These are performed before starting Salat as the preparation for Salat.
sir, in the syllabus book there is written chapter 2 syllabus for the whole final term is Salat, Salat of Jummah and Salat of Eid.
Okay, I know. Don't tell.
So sir, from which page which page? I mean, মানে সালাতের যে মেইন টপিকটা ওইটা 30 পেজে শুরু হয়েছে আর ওই সালাত অফ ঈদ হচ্ছে কি আপনার 35 পেজে শেষ হয়েছে ওই
Don't
পর্যন্তই
mention
কি পড়া লাগবে?
Don't mention it. I know the syllabus. Okay.
And you're wrong. The Salat of Eid there has 8 in the 36 page.
Page number may be different. Okay, we should focus to the topic. Okay. So the first activities of Salat are divided into 2 groups. These are called ahkams of Salat and arkans of
salat.
Okay. Don't talk. If you don't understand, then you will ask. Okay. No need to mention anything. Only if you don't understand, then you will ask. Now, first, we will discuss ahkam of Salat. So you can take a screenshot the definition. The first activities of Salat that are to be performed before starting Salat are called ahkams of Salat. Okay. Before starting Salat, for the preparation of Salat, we have to do 7 things. Okay, if anyone misses any of them, his Salat will be incomplete. Okay, he have to do all things because all are first, all are obligatory. If any first willingly or unwillingly, okay, that means forgetfully. Unwillingly, that means forgetfully. So his Salat won't be complete. He have to repeat Salat. He have to perform again.
Sir, what does willingly and or unwillingly mean in Bengali?
Okay, willingly means ichchakrito. মানে জেনে শুনে বাদ দিল, আর আনউইলিংলি ভুলবশত ফরগেটফুলি। ওকে,
Okay,
ভুলে,
sir.
এটা ভুলে বাদ যাওয়া আর একটা হলো ইচ্ছাকৃত বাদ যাওয়া। যেভাবে বাদ যাবে এই সালাত will be incomplete. Okay, he have to perform salat again. So we will now
মানে স্যার ভুল হলেও স্যার, মানে স্যার ভুল করে হইলেও স্যার হচ্ছে ওটা কমপ্লিট হবে না স্যার সালাদ, তাই না?
yes you have to repeat, he has to repeat. Okay,
স্যার যদি স্যার হচ্ছে ও যদি নাই বুঝতে পারে যে হচ্ছে ভুল হয়েছে তাহলে?
so no problem. Okay, this kind of forgetting things Allah will forgive. Okay, so what are the ahkams? Now there are 7 ahkams. Number 1, clean, to clean body of the salat performer. Okay, his body should be clean. Clean means his body should be free from blood,
স্যার রাকিনকে মিউট করে দেন স্যার, ও গান গাচ্ছে।
blood, stool and urine. Okay, body should be free from blood, urine and stool. Okay, this is clean. Number 2, to clean clothes, the clothes of salat performer. Also same thing, clean means free from blood, urine and stool. Okay, number 3, to clean,
স্যারের আগের স্লাইডে একটু যাবেন।
okay, take a screenshot. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, now we can go forward. To clean place for salat. Okay, the place should be clean, that means free from same thing, blood, stool and
স্যার আরেকবার একটু জানতো স্যার, আমি একটু স্যার স্ক্রিনশট তুলে নেই।
oh, too late, you have to be quick. Okay,
ইয়েস স্যার।
now place for salat should be clean, that means place should be dry, not wet. Wet place is suspected, that means it may be wet by urine or the dirty water. So the place of salat should be dry. Okay, if the place is dry, then it is clean, it is pure, so you can perform salat on the place. Okay, but if anyone doesn't find any dry place, then he must perform salat, because salat is not forgiven. Salat must be performed in the right time. Okay, number 4, to cover the satar with cloths. So cover satar, covering parts of the body. For the male, the satar is from navel to knee. So this part must be covered. Okay, other parts it is sunnah to cover the whole part of the body, but it is first to cover the part from navel to knee. Okay,
Sir, what does satar mean in Bengali?
স্যার সাতার মানে কি?
satar, it is used in Bengali also. satar বলতে এখানে বোঝাচ্ছে অর্থাৎ মানুষের ঢেকে রাখা যে অঙ্গ সেটাকে satar বলা হয়। ওকে
স্যার হচ্ছে নেভেল আপ টু দ্য বেলো অফ দ্য নিজ, মানে এই পুরো জায়গাটাকেই সাটার বলে।
হ্যাঁ,
স্যার মানুষের শরীরের অংশ।
it is for the male. Okay, but satar for female, the whole body. besides the wrist and the feet. Okay,
Sir, I perform salat.
very good. Every Muslim must perform salat. It is the
Sir, I also
Forward.
perform salat, sir.
ibadah.
Sir, I also
Sir,
perform salat.
forwards.
So
But sir, when I
perform
wake
salat.
early in the morning,
Sir,
I
four waqt
perform
salat. I
for
perform.
salat also.
okay, now next, okay, be attentive to your study. Inshallah, after end of the lesson, we will discuss. So number 4, to cover the satar with cloths for male and female. We know the satar for male and female. Next, to face towards Qibla. So Qibla, everyone must face to Qibla. So what is Qibla? Qibla is the
Sir.
Kaaba.
Sir,
Kaaba,
to lick. Yes, sir.
You're facing towards Kaaba.
towards
Facing
Kaaba.
towards
So
Kaaba.
if the people leave the west side from Kaaba, their Qibla will be the east. So we are leaving the east side of Kaaba, east side. So our Qibla
Sir,
is,
sir, is the Kaaba not in the center of the world?
yes, Kaaba is
Sir,
the,
so why can't we why can't we read from all those four ways? Sir,
why?
west, east. So why can't we perform salat from all those ways? West, east, north, and south.
No. I mean,
not-
we are in the east.
Okay.
We are facing east from the Kaaba,
West.
and some people
West
face
is only
west
for the
from Kaaba.
people who live the east side from Kaaba.
Sir means opposite.
From
Sir
the,
means who live in east, they will
East.
perform salat
the people
in west.
who live in the east side from Kaaba, their Qibla is the west. But the people who live in the south side of Kaaba, their Qibla will be north. Okay. The people who live in the north side from Kaaba, their Qibla will be south. The people who west side of Kaaba, their Qibla will be east. Okay. So east, west is not the Qibla,
The Holy Kaaba is situated.
because Holy Kaaba is situated from here in the east side. So we
Sir,
face
Masjid al-Haram.
Masjid al-Haram. This is the surrounding masjid of Kaaba. It is called,
Yes, sir. Masjid
Masjid
al-Haram is another thing.
okay. But Qibla, it is the
It is
only
a
in
big
the center.
mosque in the world.
Okay.
স্যারকে বলতে দাও।
So number 6, ahkam number 6, to make niyat. So you have to intend that I will pray Fajr prayer or Johor Salat or Asr Salat or Maghrib Salat, the Farz of Maghrib, Sunnat of Maghrib. You have to intend, okay, in your heart, by your heart. It is not mandatory to express orally the niyat. So if you express orally, no problem, but you have to intend by your heart to make niyat. Number 7, to perform salat at the right time. Okay, it is important. At the right time, you have to perform salat. You cannot perform after sunrise, Fajr salat after sunrise, because it is not right time. Okay, you have to perform salat in the right time. It is also first, the right time. So now, next, this is ahkams of salat. These are performed before starting salat. Okay, screenshot.
Sir, will you give us a screenshot
Okay.
in our school?
Quick,
Sir?
very quick.
Sir, will you give us the screenshots in our school?
Screenshot, you take it quickly. Okay. Okay. Now We're going forward. Now, Arkanus Salat, Arkans of Salat. These are also first. We know that Ahkams also first, Arkan also first. Ahkam outside of Salat, that means before starting Salat. Arkan in Salat. Okay. In Salat, we have to do some first activities. These are called Arkan of Salat. So the definition is the first activities of Salat that are to be performed in Salat are called Arkans of Salat. So they are also 7. So same thing, if anyone willingly or unwillingly cannot perform any Arkan, his Salat will be incomplete. So he has to perform Salat again. So it is very important. You have to be attentive while performing Salat. Now, the Arkans of Salat. Number 1, to start Salat with Takbiri Taharima. Takbir. What is Takbir? We know that to say Takbir is called to say Allahu Akbar. To say Allahu Akbar is called Takbir. So Taharima, that means this Takbir make the activities forbidden inside Salat. So this Takbir is called Takbir Taharima. So I muted all of you because you are disturbing. So to start Salat with Takbir Taharima. So Takbir means to say Allahu Akbar. Taharima, because with this Takbir, everything is forbidden in Salat. So this Takbir is called Takbir Taharima. Taharima means to make anything haram, nishidda, forbidden. Take a screenshot. Number 2, to perform Salat making Qiyam. Qiyam means standing up. Okay. You have to, the Salat performer must perform Salat standing position. If he is unable to stand up, then only the time he will sit. He will perform Salat in sitting position. But if it is impossible to sit, then he will perform Salat. What is the problem? Why have you raised your hand? So if I unmute, you disturb. Okay. So in lying position, he can perform Salat. So this is not very rigid. It is flexible. If you are unable to stand, you will perform Salat in sitting position. If you are unable to sit, then you can perform Salat in lying position. Okay. Qiyam. But if anyone is able to stand up, he cannot perform Salat in sitting position. But Nafal Salat, anyone can perform in sitting position. Okay. So, number 3, to read a part from the Quran. Okay, from the Holy Quran, any surah. I know that the smallest surah is Surah Kawthar. Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shani'aka. There are 3 verses. So the minimum, if the verse is small, you must recite 3 verses. If the verse is large, so you can recite 1 verse, any part of one verse of any surah you can recite. Okay, it will be enough. Number 4, to do ruku. The rules of performing ruku you studied in half yearly syllabus. Study ruku, tasbih of ruku. You learned it. Then to do sijda. Okay, performing the rules of performing sijda you learn. Then number 6, to sit finally, final sitting. We know that if the salat is of 2 rakats, so second rakat, after second rakat, this is the final sitting. If the salat is of 3 rakats, then second rakat, this is first sitting. So third rakat, that means last rakat, is final sitting. If the salat is of 4 rakat, then after second rakat, it will be first sitting, and the last rakat, that means fourth rakat. After fourth rakat, it will be a final sitting. So final sitting is only first, but first sitting, if the salat is of 3 or 4 rakats, the first sitting is wajib, not first. Final sitting is first. Number 7, to complete salat by saying salam. Okay. But you have to finish salat by saying assalamu alaikum to the right side and assalamu alaikum to the left side. Okay. So these are the arkans of salat. You must perform, do all the arkans in salat. If any one is left, salat will be incomplete, then salat must be repeated. Okay, now we will learn the times of salat, because Allah says it is first for the mu'min to perform salat at the right time. So at the right time, salat is first for all mu'min. So you have to know the time of salat. It's very important. Now we are describing here the times of salat. You know that the first salat, we have to perform it before sunrise. The first salat is Fajr. It starts at the end of night, when morning light is seen in the east of the sky. Okay, because before rising sun, before sunrise, the light is seen in the eastern sky. So that time Fajr Salat starts. So this is the starting time, and the end time, the time before the moment of sunrise, it is the end time of Fajr Salat. Okay. So after Fajr Salat, there is a huge free time. So Allah defined for the people, His slaves, to do work. So He keeps the huge distance, huge time for His slaves, for His livelihood. So then after midday, second salat starts. Okay, when the sun is going to the west. Okay, when sun is over our head, that time salat is forbidden. So when it starts to the west, then Zohar salat starts. So it is the starting time. But the last time, the end time, when the shadow of a stick, any stick, double the length. That means you fix a stick when its shadow is double. If stick is 1 meter, when its shadow will be 2 meters, then the time of Zuhur will be end. Okay. Next. What's the problem? Okay, now talk. Okay, what do you want to tell? I unmuted. So now Zohar Salat, the time of Zohar Salat is over. That moment, whenever the time of Zohar Salat finishes, the time of Asr Salat.
Sir, can we get these things from the book?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
The
So
number
there
of
is-
page is 30.
There is no free time between Zohar and Asr Salat. Okay. Whenever the time of Zohar Salat finishes, the time of Asr Salat starts. Okay. As soon as the time of Zohar ends, the time of Asr starts. So the ending time of Zohar Salat is the starting time of Asr Salat. So what is the last time of Asr Salat? Before the moment of the sunset. Okay. So while sunsetting, Salat is forbidden. So before sunset, you must perform Asr Salat. Okay. After sunset, when sunset is complete, then the time Maghrib Salat starts. Okay. Maghrib Salat starts after sunset. So the time of Maghrib Salat is the shortest, very short time. So when the reddish tinge of the sun fades away, it is called in Bengali lalima. Okay, reddish light in the western sky, when it will be vanished. Okay, that time, the time of Maghrib Salat will be ended. Okay. So after the time of Isha starts, after the end of Maghrib, so there is no free time, no gap time between Isha and Maghrib. So the longest time is Isha Salat has the longest time to be performed. But before midnight, the Salat, to perform Salat is better. Okay, it is the better time. But if anyone performs after midnight, Salat will be granted, but it is makruh.
এর মধ্যে এক এক সময় একটা বাদ যাচ্ছে এটা বলতেছ ওইটা বলতেছ না ওইটা বললে তো ওইটা বলতেছ
You should perform Maghrib Salat and Isha Salat before midnight. Okay, it is the better time.
Atif, mute ho.
Okay, boys. So we study the times of Salat. Now, the rules of performing Salat. Okay, time is too short. We have to finish. So, at first, we have to perform all ahkams of Salat. Before, this is the preparatory activities, the ahkams, before starting Salat. So, after performing all ahkams, we will start our Salat. So, first rakat, so we reading out that we will start with Takbir Tahrima. Yes, Takbir Tahrima. Allahu Akbar. Start. While reciting Tahrima, we will raise our both hands up to our ears. Then we will bind the hand over the navel. After that, we will recite Sana.
স্যার টার্গেট স্লাইডটাতে যাবেন
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. So then, Auzubillah, Bismillah, then we will recite Surah Fatiha and any surah or some part of from the Quran. Then we will do Ruku and Sajda. Okay, after that, that means after Ruku and Sajda, we will stand up for the second rakat. So first rakat is complete. Take a screenshot. Okay, now
স্যার একটা দেখান
after finishing,
স্যার আগের স্লাইডটা একটু যাবেন
after finishing the lesson, time is too short. Okay, next time I will show you. Okay, now the second rakat. So like the first rakat, we will perform the second rakat. The first rakat perform the first rakat. Then we will sit and recite tashahhud. Okay, tashahhud. If the salat is of 2 rakat, so this is the final sitting. We will also recite if the salat is of 2 rakat, so this sitting is final sitting, so we will recite durud, dua masura, and okay, after durud, dua masura, we will finish salat with salam. Okay, but if the salat is not of 2 rakats, that means it of 3 rakats or 4 rakats, more than 2 rakats, so we will stand up for the 3rd rakat. Okay, take screenshot quickly.
স্যার আমি আপনার কথা শুনতেই পারতেছি না।
Why? Okay, next slide. Now 3rd rakat. Okay, like the previous rakat, or that means 1st rakat or 2nd rakat, we will perform the 3rd rakat. So you have to remember it that in case of 1st salat, we will recite only Surah Fatiha. 3rd rakat and 4th rakat, we will recite only Surah Fatiha. In case of 1st salat, but in case of Sunnat salat, you have to recite Surah Fatiha and other surah. If the salat is of the 3 rakats, we will sit finally. Then we will recite Tashahhud, Durud, Masura, and we will finish the salat with salam. But if the salat is of 4 rakat, so we will stand up for the 4th rakat. Okay, now last rakat, 4th rakat. So like the 3rd rakat, we will perform the 4th rakat, then we will sit finally and we'll finish the salat with salam. So final sitting, we have to recite Tashahhud, Durud, Dua Masura. Okay, Tashahhud.
The last minute.
Every sitting we must recite Tashahhud. But final sitting we have to recite after Tashahhud, Durud, Dua Masura. Okay. Okay, now the rules of now question. Your screenshot. Time is too short, so take a screenshot quickly.
আগেরটা দিবেন
Screenshot. Take. Complete.
Sir, taken.
Okay, now you're going.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next. Take a screenshot. First take it, then I will show. First take it.
Sir,
Take.
complete.
Okay. Now the previous slide.
Complete.
Take quickly. Okay.
প্রিভিয়াস
This is the previous.
আর আমার এখানে